I don't know, that beer looks too fancy for fucking Rick.
Yeah.
It's got a lobster on it, Rick.
Oh!
You drinking the fucking lobster beer? Is that what it is? Oh, well, you would know.
That's quick on that.
I fucking looked at it and all I saw was a lobster.
Sure saw a lobster bisque beer.
Lobster bisque. That's a Norton fucking reference.
Some in it if you want to taste it.
What? I'm good, Kyle. Thank you, though. I appreciate that.
Best bisque I ever had was from Wormwood.
The best bisque he ever had. The best bisque. You want to cut those into thirds, Steve, and then we'll jam them
That's
in?
what I was thinking, and we'll use them for the ends. And
Yeah.
too high or something.
Just slide this down then. Yeah, slide it down, slide that in, slide it back. Right? There's lots of space. I'm short 2 big ones here, Steve. 2 halves. There's lots of air gap if you slide it down a bit.
Make sure we need it. How many are we going to need?
I need at least 4 halves.
4 halves?
Yeah. You need 1 more half. 1 more half for here. Bill needs 2. 1 more. How many halves do you need there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 halves, Kyle.
Yeah, you said 5.
5 halves we needed. That's what we were shy. So I'll walk back and forth and spot Bill.
Okay. That's going to take up a lot of room. The fucking soil's probably going to be half.
It's actually, this actually honestly is better than I thought it was going to be. There's legit more soil going in than I thought there would be.
Less.
What?
Less, right?
More.
More soil.
More soil. Yeah.
Do you think so? With the gaps that are being filled? It's going to be less, isn't it?
I'm saying there's less soil. But
Yes.
there's more soil than I thought there would be when Ricky and I were...
Oh.
Because when Ricky and I were talking about how this foam was going to work,
Now, with that being said, are we up too high for the soil?
we need 2 halves here, Rick.
Oh, you actually want to bring them up.
How many more do you need?
1.
One more of these short ones, Steve. Oh wait, Ross has one. Good?
Good.
All right. So are we done with foam?
Double foam.
All right. I'll bring this piece back down to the truck. The what?
It doesn't have to be that block, does it?
No.
Just drop over sides with soil.
Yes. I would cut 4-foot pieces and then drop it over the side. Okay?
This one?
There's 50 by 5, which is more than Jack wanted, but I think it'll be enough because it's 5 feet. So if you cut 2 4-foot pieces in each section, that's 8 feet per section. So there's 4. Well, we're going to be shy. I'm guessing this Bill doesn't have any filter cloth in his truck.
Got some in my trailer.
That's not really helpful.
Wasn't our home hardware? There's down the street there on Richmond.
Really?
I think I saw one yesterday.
Seriously? I'll Google it because I can go down there with my truck.
Yeah, just buy a small roll.
Just buy a small. Yeah. I'll Google it. Here, Bill, can you take this down?
I'm pretty sure there was something down there. It was red. That's all I know. It was red. Caught my eye. It was shiny.
Start cutting that fabric and I'll go start loading shit into the bucket.
Yeah, I'm gonna walk back and forth with Bill. If you load the bucket, I'll walk back and forth. You guys have a spotter?
Yeah.
See how far this goes. I almost bought 2 rolls too, and then it was like way more than Jack estimated. So I thought
It's going to work. It's going to be shoes garbage.
maybe it's only supposed to go around the outside. If it goes around the outside, then you have more than enough. Because that's 50 feet cut into 4-foot pieces, you'll get 10. Well, that's only 36 though. So you need 8 pieces, 36 is 24. Right? And then if you cut them all into 36-inch pieces, and then you'll have enough to go around. Then put it here and drape it down.
So you just want to worry about the outside.
Well, I want to, like, if you're going to cut it all into 36-inch pieces, fold it over and let it fall down. You'll have, if you cut it into 36-inch pieces, you'll get, it's 50 feet, so you'll get 15 pieces. You need 8 per. Well, you'll get 3 times 8 is. If it's 50 feet, oh my God, fuck this.
You got too many numbers going on here.
I know. I'm fucking terrible with. It's That's why it's good that we have Jack, because I'm horrifyingly bad at math. I should never be the person that's being trusted to calculate the fucking.
I'm pretty sure Steve is confused on that one too. Steve's a number bit.
Okay, so if you cut it into 3 feet, you're going to get 16 pieces, which is exactly what you need. Because there's 8 pieces per section, right? There's 4 sections. 2 pieces per section is 8 per thing. So if you cut it into 3-foot pieces, exactly 3-foot, well, close as you can with your feet, then you'll have enough to drape a 3-foot piece here from the top, a 3-foot piece here, and then fill it. You know what I'm saying? And that way, if someone comes and if you try to put it up, someone might not. If you put it over the foam, if someone digs here, they'll see the filter cloth, and then we're good. No one's gonna dig it all the way to the bottom. So, if you cut it into 3-foot average pieces, you'll get 16, which is exactly what you. That worked out good. That's fucking rare. I'll go spot Bill now. Do the important job.
Sure. You go babysit the bill.
I'll babysit Bill. Don't forget the pylons.